Righto guys, behind me here is one of the biggest construction builds we've ever done, spanning 6 meters long, 2.1 meters wide, and the full 4.5 ton rating. Let's start at the start with some of these accessories. We've got the CruiseMaster towing hitch. Behind that, we've got our standard drawbar cabinet with a lot of storage in that. Fully lockable, fully sealed, center shelf that is on uni strut, so you can move it up and down where you need to. We've got our 3 ladder racks, fully removable, fully load rated, perfect for timber, steel, you name it. Behind that, we've got our custom 2.8 meter canopy, which is also fully sealed, fully lockable. So that means no dust, no water can get in, and it's definitely away from the hands of theft. And this one is also lift off. You've got your 4 points and then the 4 corners, so you can take that off to go back to a completely flat deck. We've got the upgraded Maxxis Razr all-terrain tyres. They are 265 75 R16 tyre, perfect for off-road use. Behind the canopy, we have 6 in-floor 1.2 ton rated bolt-in tie-down points, which are easily removable. You can take them in and out, position them where you need to, and they're very, very strong as well, which is great. Now at the rear of the trailer, we've got a custom 3 meter slide out aluminium drawer, which is perfect for levels, straight edges, and more. That's locked under the tray there. Beside the slide out drawer unit, we've got the 150 litre diesel tank, which is situated under the tray, and it's got a fill point at the front for easy refueling near the vehicle. We've also got the upgraded taillights at the back, which looks fantastic, and the mud flap to stop stones and rocks flicking up behind the trailer.